Remember we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hello guys, vo into hey salad kan eido kala thuman lawa kay marong bowl niya lapetaw kasyama chuan hey bread. Mom is making bread.
Yum.
We're gonna eat this Burmese lapeta wantia. This is tom yum chicken soup. I just cook with mushroom and lemongrass and some kaffir lime leaves. Chuanin marcha vele coconut milk vel ni chu. We're gonna start eating. Mom, if you want, you can start eating. I'll be right back. Okay. Can you see yourself?
Mm-hmm. Hi, everyone.
Bread and butter on the table. I'm gonna get you soup here. Okay.
We made dinner tonight. Yum.
There's bread and everything there. If you want to get a plate, another plate, you can get. Okay. Where is my husband? He's not joining us. Is he still alive?
There.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Come join us, Lalzawa.
Yeah, smells good.
Smells good. You need to
Sample.
be on
Your,
camera today because they miss you.
Bowls in the kitchen, babe. I made that from scratch.
Your fans miss you. Actually, don't be. Oh, it looks so yummy. Mmm. Hot.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna add more chili. Hey, mizoram chili. Oh, I'm telling you. Mmm. Here is Daddy. Daddy. Get salad.
Take this first.
Yeah.
Want me to get you some bread, baby, and some salad?
Yeah, I will. I'll take this in here first.
He's going to take it in there and then come back. That way he doesn't have so much to carry.
Went to Sunday. Come on. Today is Sunday. We all stay home. We are home. Outside is so hot. Otherwise, we should have made video outside. But
You can use both, babe.
I got this.
I very want that.
We just pinched them together.
I hope you like my cooking.
I've had the soup before, right?
Mm.
It's good.
Everything you had before. This is the bread
So
you
good.
bought, sour bread. Hey, sour bread and tiyak kami basil leaf butter, right, Mom?
Yep. Oregano,
Napulat
bagel,
on oven nada.
garlic.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come let's go sit. Why are you trying to escape?
Mm-hmm. You're fine.
Yes, let's go. What are you eating? Show them. Do you think you like your wife cooking?
Oh, it's very good.
At 2 a.m. Is it tasty?
Oh, very much.
What? Say
Do we look to?
Tuilotok. Mom, tuilotok. All the kids learning now how to say a tuilotok.
Hey.
What are you doing? They miss you. So many girls like, where is Lalzawa? I say, come, marry him.
They should have gone live with us today.
That's
on our
right.
walk.
Will you guys go live?
Because I was telling them that I'm going to walk on Sunday with my husband. They're like, can you do please live? Because they want to see our town.
Nice.
I can do video for them, but I have to come home and edit, and so it's
Did
easier.
you take her around a nice area? Or?
We went.
White like soya bean.
Over by Courtyard?
Yeah. Showed them the bean field.
Nice.
Yeah, the bread's good.
Yeah, mom special sauce. How is the
one-
soup? Is it like a little bit spicy, right? It's good.
That's good.
Or it's not spicy.
A little bit, yeah.
People like it. I add, yeah, it's so good. I don't add a lot because I don't want daddy to be dying. So good. What do you think the soup like? Is it taste better when you add like sour lemon?
Mm-hmm.
I think my soup is better than the one we had in the restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Indiana or Mattoon?
Indiana.
Mattoon and Indiana. We love the
They
one
had
from
shrimp and all kinds of stuff in it. in
Yeah,
Indiana.
that was so cool. And crab.
Yeah.
salad. That's it.
Yeah, it's very good.
Hey, cái đầu sữa châu nè hộp bài hiền mỏ sẽ xoạc ra được chân chứ mà. I told them that I remember you guys when I'm biting.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, your spoon so small. Look, how will you? Can you
Yeah.
feel the taste? Mom is becoming a baby, 6 months more old.
I like a small spoon.
I want to use this one. Today the tea leaf is different. Mapang lapitaw miya dang taste. It's spicy and a little bit sour. Every time I cook, it has different taste of this tea leaf.
It's all right. Tastes fine to me.
As long as you like it's good.
Tori hasn't even tried it yet, I don't think.
Not yet. No.
Tori don't know how to eat together stuff. Combine till a comb one kadavika eat so he like to eat everything in one time. I mean separate. Can you talk and join together in here and a doing very thing so my second part on the Ashan ve ngai to na rice pon say I do ngai lo chok me them. He never eat any food together. He always separate like soup. And then if he's gonna eat salad, he eats separate salad. And then if he's gonna eat rice, he eats separate. So I want you guys to know, like, oh, your husband eats so less. He's not eating less. Because I eat a lot because my size, see? It's a dog. I don't feel so bad. It's okay. Everybody has their opinion, so you know.
She's patiently waiting.
People were like, why you never give Scarlett food? I feel so bad for
She
you all
can't eat at
eating.
the table.
I told them that we don't give food just like you
In
do
the
at
kitchen.
home. No, back at home people think that they can just give whatever they eat
Oh, no.
to dog. Like they always give meat to their dog.
No, she has to eat in the kitchen.
No, I
Designated
told them
doggy
that
hour.
the dog cannot eat meat, bones and all.
Not the bones, yeah.
No bones. No chocolate.
Kan mo hisaru po kan pengay lawa ang mga pengay lo chocolate kan pengay lo mas kalo perutan even a chocolate. Because I don't know.
She was so proud. She goes, I gave Scarlett chocolate today. I said, you did what? Let's not do that again.
And I was so worried mom will be mad at me because I give her chocolate. So you know what I do? Mom, I give her only this, but I'm gonna be confessed right now in front of all the people. I give her a punch. But Scarlett's still alive.
Yeah.
Right, baby? I'm still alive. Scarlett chocolate cậu bật cho bà con nu bula uy mình hao tiền hao to nuเราchocolate tlem te cho lom cái pe cái te chọn tuần hi cái quang ta cái confession cái này ta cái pe châu cái gì ha. This look like a bones of Scarlett or a face. It's so cute, right? And they're so useful. Like you can just wrap it like this here. See?
Mm-hmm.
American also use their hand when they eat tacos.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What else do we eat with our hands? Tacos,
Yeah, hamburgers.
hamburgers, grilled cheese, sandwiches,
Yeah.
Fries.
Most sandwiches, yeah.
fries.
Or if you have a big ones like Memorial Day.
Mm.
Ribs. We eat chicken.
Mm. On the ship, sometimes people make fun of you because you eat your hand and they don't sit next to you.
Mm.
They're very racist, and then the company make rules. Don't judge people because we all are from different culture. You
Yeah.
cannot judge people. Kampahela maya asa page na ron lang wala mo sa ilaite. Kasi ito kansa ka kanina. Mom and me, we're not shy because we love seeing you guys. But my husband is shy. He's shy seeing beautiful girls. He just think I don't want to be very common in social media. Is it?
We say private.
No, he's
Your
private.
personal. Yes.
Mom and I same. We don't care. We want to do what we love to do. Right, Mom?
Yep.
We don't have relate anything with Tori.
I'm a people pleaser.
No.
I am.
We are not related to Tori.
I get in trouble.
Blood relation.
I get in trouble for
With
that.
you? Who are
Don't
you?
I do. I get in trouble for being a people pleaser.
Where are you
Tori,
going?
you want another piece of bread, baby?
Where are you going, Mom?
I am going to go
Can you
take
go
my...
get for me? Little bit of chicken and mushroom. It's not really the soup. I don't want more soup.
I thought you wanted more soup.
No.
Oh.
I asked him to get some chicken. And,
Oh, yeah, there's chicken in it. Mushrooms.
Mm.
How are you doing, babe?
Hey, shall I here? If I know the ma'am. Like your daughter-in-law cooking?
I do. Very good.
Thank you.
Very, very, very good.
Hey, kapag balak tiyo, bala mo. Kaya ito, kita tayo, bitch. Kasi I eat a lot, but...
Did you finish, baby?
I'll be right back.
Got blow his nose.
Where's the bread?
In that bowl. You better take it before she eats it.
Mom.
Already take them on.
Say in me though. I take, I like mine.
We'll take your lack of mine.
Oh, no. Why did I say take? It's just English.
I don't know.
I like mine.
A lack of mine.
Eva Vedro.
Eva Vedro.
Because I said before she take it.
That's right. Otherwise, you ain't getting it. The bread's much better that way
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's
than the way I cooked it the other night.
Mm.
Because I thought it was pretty yucky the other night.
Not bad.
It was just.
I like to have
don't
this
know,
one
it's
as a
bland.
background because it has family.
Mm-hmm. Well, I've been waiting for pictures from the kids, but they haven't been doing school pictures, so that's where it stopped. So I wanted to do that whole wall.
Mm.
But it's okay.
Do you want to say something to the people who love you? Well,
Thank you for watching Jess and Tori.
thank you for
And
loving
thank you.
our family.
Yep. Thank you for loving our family and visiting Nana's kitchen as well.
Yeah,
You guys
Nana's
rock.
Kitchen. And also thank you for giving your dog name to our.
What?
There are people who has a dog
Mhm.
and give Jason Tori name.
Nice. So tonight I'm going to wash my hands real well and do his eyes.
Có video lẹ cái hỗ trợ rồi nha. Chúng ta tên số like cho anh công ty cần đủ về chuyện rồi. Daddy, come back.
Yes, baby.
Hey, kapalaw ka la. I'm gonna ask you something. How do you like my cooking?
Very good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, very good.
Mo? Say tuy luto.
I told you too.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very good.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you. Kasi siya mga tuy tiem ka tiya. Tuy luto ka tinito.
And they're not styes, but the stye cream works for it if you use those wipes. So that's why I bought the wipes. What, baby? There you go. Yes. You want me to make a piece of toast for you? Honey?
Toast for what? Tell them that we'll see you next time.
Yes, we'll see you
See you
next
next time.
Justin Tori.
Yeah, thank you so
Bye.
much for subscribing. Okay. Bye-bye uli. Okay. Say Mang Cha.
Mantra.
You need to remember that, baby. Thank you for doing that.